So for reinforcing that wall, any wall, is it drywall? Is it something else? How would you reinforce a wall that might not be straight?
Oh, that is a good question. I wish we could almost turn because we're doing it right now.
Could we? I don't know.
So plywood backing is probably going to be the easiest thing to do. I mentioned that. Oh, we are going to turn.
Yeah.
So we are putting up a direct ULED in this room. Okay. This was not planned, by the way. They did as much as they could before this webinar started, and we kicked them out because they were making a ton of noise. Okay. Actually, is it okay if I get up?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna walk over here. So this is a really good demonstration. What you can see here was plywood backing. So myself and someone else went to Home Depot yesterday, had them cut it, but you put the plywood backing here and then you put the mounting rail on the plywood backing. Okay, so this accomplishes a few things. One, weight. So now you're putting these on the studs. It's gonna help with the weight requirements. It's also gonna make it nice and much flatter than against the drywall directly. Right? You can see we've actually already put 4 of these columns on there. This is a 136. So these are on here. We're waiting for our last one. Again, I promise you we did not plan this. This just happened to be how it was. So fantastic question, but plywood's going to be a good one. Unistrut is another really good one. It's going to be a lot more expensive, but I can tell you it's going to make your life a lot easier. But those sorts of things are what we can talk about during our design consultation calls to say, hey, this is what we've got, what you would be using, and we can go over things like this, like the plywood backing on it before the mounting rails and then putting the product on.